Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make my one pan chicken cacciatore. Pretty simple to do and the most amazing flavour. Alright, let's just get on with it. Okay, so here I've got 400 grams worth of diced Italian tomatoes. I've just bought that from the supermarket that goes into a food processor, and we're going to make sure we get rid of every single skerrick that we possibly can. We paid for it, we're going to use it. Alright, we're going to add in 3 cloves worth of fresh crushed garlic. That's going to go into our mix, and 1 brown onion that I have finely diced, really finely diced. That's going in as well. We're going to blitz that for about 30 seconds or so, and we're going to make up this really beautifully scented and flavored passata. Alright, fry pan, and we're going to add in around about 4 slices of bacon. I'm just giving that a rough chop, just like that. That can go in. We're going to stir that around and wait for the fat to start rendering out, and I'm going to add in 4 chicken thigh cutlets. So chicken thighs with the bone in just gives you so much more flavour. I'm going to put those down, skin side down into that little bit of oil, and a little bit of bacon fat has already started to render off, and we're going to leave those just for a couple of minutes or so until we start getting a bit of brownish. As you can see by the heat signature on my hot plate, I'm not cooking this off very hot at all, and once I start seeing a little bit of colour on the skin, I'm going to give those a little bit of a turn. Okay, just like that. And if you haven't tried chicken cacciatore before, you don't know what you're missing. It's a great simple dish. Here I'm going to add in about 400 grams worth of potatoes that I've peeled and I've chopped into around about 1 inch, 25 millimeters sort of pieces that can go straight in as well. Okay, and now I'm also going to add in 200 grams worth of nice small mushrooms that I've quartered and made sure I've got rid of any of the residue, any of the dirt or whatever that's on the mushrooms. We've just given that a little brush off, and we're going to just stir things around a little bit just like this. Make sure we've got nothing sticking at all. Right, just give our chicken a little bit of freedom. Right, so we're just going to put those in. So we're going to add in that beautiful tomato homemade passata straight in on top, just like that, and make sure you drop the spoon into your dish, otherwise you are not doing it correctly. Around about 150 ml worth of water. We're just going to rinse out that food processor, just about 150 mils worth, and as you can see, I've made a mess of the bench once again. Alright, so let's just clean that up. We're going to add in about a tablespoon's worth of whole grain mustard. That's going to go straight in, and that whole grain mustard is just packed full of beautiful flavors. And if you haven't tried chicken cacciatore before, it is such a really nice dish, and this version is really easy. We're going to cover that, and we're going to simmer that for about 15 minutes or so, just on a nice low heat. As you can see by the steamage and condensation on the top of the lid, we're going to remove that lid. Right, after 15 minutes, make sure we don't spill any of that water all over the bench. I'll make a mess anyway when I'm cooking. We're going to give that all a little bit of a gentle stir, just like that. Make sure everyone's happy. We're going to put that lid back on, and we're going to let that sit for around about 40 minutes or so. Okay, now this dish is not the quickest in the world, but it is tasty. We're going to check our potato for how done they are. Right, we're starting to get a skewer feel for them, and that's okay. We can put that lid sort of cracked on for around about another few minutes or so. And in total, I've done that for around about 20 minutes or so. We want to make sure the potato is cooked through. The chicken is cooking through quite nicely. I'm going to add in 120 grams worth of baby spinach and a quarter cup's worth of Kalamata olives that I've just given those a little bit of slice through. We're going to put the lid back on, and we're going to let that sit for around about sort of 10 minutes or so. We're going to take the lid off, let that reduce down, and then we can serve that up. And there you go, you've got KP's one pan chicken cacciatore. How easy was that to make? Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence and make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time a new video goes up, and share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. Love reading and love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn another one pan dish just like this one, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'll eat my one pan chicken cacciatore, and I will catch you next time. Bye.